that yellow. So guys, let's cook for a big family. Let's cook for a big family. So we are having pasta with grounded beef. Yeah. We're having pasta with grounded beef. I want to use the two. My auntie said it's too much, it's too much. I want to use only one and then let them be screaming. The food is not enough. Because I want to use the two. She said no, I should use only one. So let's use only one. That is too much. Two is too much. We're having pasta. I'm supposed to use this penny pasta. But we don't have enough of it. We only have 1.5. And because we are not, so I want to do this one and add a little bit of the penny pasta on it. Yeah. So let's go. Let's start cooking. So here it is. So here it is going in. Salt to that. Salt to taste. Garlic. Mixed Italian herbs. Black pepper, rosemary, monkey cube, beef stock, beef. I don't like this thing fly. One thing I hate about summer in the engine. And roasted paprika. Curry. Pasta in there. Our water is boiling. I'm going to add this little one to it. So our tomatoes is going to come in. So look at that. Mixing the tomatoes together. Email. Hey, mommy, I can't spray no my. Liam is crying and my sister run to him and is singing for him. Yeah, it's the most largest pasta I have ever cooked. Big pasta, look at that. Feed the whole family. Eh?